All right, so I was scrolling on my Instagram. I just logged into my Instagram account. I was actually in the middle of about to schedule some promotions to go and promote this ClickMate product. So I was about to go find some influencers. But in the middle of me playing 2K, like I literally can't even make this up. I was just playing 2K and on the computer at the same time. As soon as I log into my Instagram account, I see this account, Funny Hood Vids, and I see this ad right here. Down 14 pounds and it only took 3 weeks. Now me as a marketer, you start to get curious, like certain stuff just sticks out to you, like, dang, I can use this or use that kind of lingo inside my business or whatever. The creativeness starts to come when you see other people ads and stuff as a marketer. That's when I knew I was like full blown with this stuff. But I'm looking at it, I said, I'm looking at the caption, it says, Sarah Stansford method has helped thousands lose unwanted fat during the quarantine. If you are unsatisfied with your current weight, read the article in her bio to find out how to safely lose 25 pounds. Now, a lot of y'all that's been doing CPA marketing for any time, y'all know, when y'all see that, read the article, blah, 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 it's probably going to advertorial. So what I did, I went and opened up the opened up the account in a new tab or whatever, looked at the page, there's no comments on here. So that means, to me, they disable all the comments for a reason. They don't want people commenting, because most CPA offers be complete BS anyway. So that's why I started thinking like, this could be a CPA offer. I looked at the page got 100,000 followers, so I'm like, damn, this is like a legit page. But then I look at the bio, I researched the safest, most effective ways, blah, 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 to burn fat quickly. As soon as I seen that featured in Women's Health CNN, I see so many CPA offers like that. Then it says, read the article below to learn how I lost 25 pounds. The domain, healthynewscenter.co. Most of them be, a real news site will have .com more than likely. So you click on it, open a new tab. Here we are. Now, another one. If you know CPA marketing, you know this is what? An advertorial. I started thinking, I was like, this ain't no legit person. At that point, I knew it wasn't no legit person. The image, it's not even a real search bar. Nothing is clickable. You can't click on this to bring up a navigation. Can't even click on the author for this article or whatever. And then another thing that stuck out to me, Sarah Johnson with the check mark. I went back to the page. I was like, damn, I didn't notice a check mark on the page because it's not there. This is a whole made up Instagram account from a marketer, Sarah.v.Stanford, but the page, if you scroll it down, says Sarah Johnson. I didn't even go on Instagram to see if this is actually a real person, but she posted her weight loss journey and they made a whole account out of it. All you gotta do to make an account like this is just find weight loss transformations and then just post it every single day. As you can see, they got 400 posts. Y'all don't know, man, she could have got these testimonials, or he, she, whatever, could have got these testimonials from anywhere. So yeah, this is definitely a CPA marketer. So scrolling down, I looked right here, looked at the links to it right here. Ideal Intensity Keto, open it in a new tab. Let's see where it takes us. I know if y'all been in MaxBounty, y'all seen 1,000,001 keto offers like this. Matter of fact, I got my MaxBounty login pulled up just to show y'all. Let me log into my account real quick, just show y'all a similar offer, unless it's the same exact offer. 7 figures marketing. Oop, I don't want y'all to know my password, but logging in real quick. I'm pretty sure I can find one of the top campaigns. Let's see. Try to find a keto one. Am I even in the top campaigns part? I'm not. I'm in the new campaigns. Let me see. All right, so now if I scroll down, let's try to find one of those keto. I know it's coming up. This is one, I want to find one a little bit closer to it. All right, if I don't find it in a few more scrolls, then I'm just gonna search for it. All right, so yeah, I might could use this one. All right, so now if I open this up in a new tab, if I look at the default landing page to it, boom, look at this. This is the same exact offer. Just a different name. I'm pretty sure the conversion rates is identical. It's the same exact offer, literally just a different website name. So this offer in MaxBounty pays out $115 per lead. Now they got other keto offers just like this, the same exact landing page, just different logos, just like I was just saying, that converts higher than this one, because this conversion rate is terrible. 15 cents. It's probably because of the offer payout, but you think about it, this offer, you can go to MaxBounty right now and promote this offer the same way this person, Sarah Johnson, just did, and make $100 per sale. And they only probably gotta, I don't know how much they gotta pay for it, but it's not that much. Regardless, if we go back to Instagram and look at this ad, you can see from this account. Let me open this account in a new tab. Funny Hood Vids got 17 million followers. 17 million followers. You can schedule a promotion with them literally right now. Email them and set up a promotion. Make a page similar to this, if not exactly the same. You can go, you don't even have to put 400 pictures on here. You can literally put like 30 pictures on here and start running traffic to it using pages like this. Let me see, you can click the drop down arrow, find pages. Hood Video, there go another page you could target. Let me see. Any big like viral meme page you could do this with. And if I look at the engagement on it, this post got 8,000 likes on there already, and it's only been 3 hours. Just imagine if you got 10 people, say your promotion, they charge you $100 for that post. 10 people out of 17 million followers and 8,000 likes within 3 hours, just 10 people. You'd have made, what is it, 1,050 just in 3 hours? Now, like I said, these type of ads normally do way crazier than that. And then another thing that's really good, that's how I know this is a super affiliate, because with 118,000 followers, this person been doing it for a minute and been killing it, actually. Like, this is literally a 100K strategy in itself. Like, I know the person might stumble across the video like, yo, you showing my stuff? Whoop-de-whoop. I was just so excited. In the middle of me, like I said, playing 2K, I stumbled across this and I said, wow. This is like some next level super affiliate stuff. This is only a super affiliate would think of something like this. That's why I was like, man, let me hurry up and shoot this video real quick. And to make this landing page wouldn't take but, matter of fact, let me go to my ClickFunnels account just show y'all how quick I can make this landing page. All I gotta do is just copy and paste this stuff. Literally. I really didn't want to make this video too long. Let me make a condensed version of this landing page, but just to show y'all, man, y'all can literally go to this account, download 30 of these pictures, turn off the comments, copy the same bio, the same name, whatever you want to call it, make a username similar to this, take the profile picture or one similar to it, make a what's it called, advertorial style landing page just like this. You can copy the pictures, you can copy the content, all this stuff you can take literally. Copy and paste this, you can copy and paste this. All you would do is just replace ideal intensity keto with the offer inside of MaxBounty that you're promoting. So keto BHB, literally it's literally the same thing you can do, and you would just find pages just like this. Now, like I said, man, I just gave y'all a 100K affiliate marketing MaxBounty campaign, I guess, 100% free, and the person who probably running this himself will probably be furious that I'm even showing this, but I just felt like I had to, man. You could easily replicate this on ClickFunnels. You know, just copy and pasting stuff, literally. Stealing the images and stealing the text and just swapping out the name for the actual offer name. Like, this is so easy. Boom, there you go. And I'm pretty sure if I scroll to the bottom of that landing page, where it go? Let me go back, I can get that same kind of image. So scroll down, perfect. Look at that, I can steal this whole image right now, and all I would do is just replace it. Claim your free bottle. So it's probably a free trial offer, but I had to record this video, man. This is just crazy to me. Like, just to think this person might, let me see if they got some, let me go to tag real quick. All right, so they ain't got it here. Oh wait, do they? Let me see, 98. Sarah's helping. So yeah, this person been doing this funnel. Look at this, 46 weeks ago. January 15th, 757 likes. And they targeting gym pages and stuff. As you can see, Sarah Stansford is helping 1,000 people trim fat fast using her shocking new weight loss discovery. Read the link in her bio if you want to lose 25 pounds. They've been using this for, man, let me scroll back even further. Since 2019, man, that is crazy. All this person doing is finding health and fitness, viral meme pages, and posting these same images. Like, this is literally a 100K affiliate marketing strategy. If you don't take this and run with it, I mean, hey, you know, I literally just gave y'all a whole 100K strategy. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, whoo, it's gonna be somebody that take this strategy and really run with it, man. You can steal this image, like right now. I just download the image. I can go make an Instagram profile identical to this Sarah Stansford one and get it up and running. And yo, this is crazy. In the middle of me about to play 2K, I was literally just about to start a match. and I just ran across this ad, man. So I'm not about to make the advertorial here. Y'all can just check it out yourself. Check out the page, whatever. But this is a 100K max bounty strategy, affiliate marketing strategy, whatever you want to call it. Never seen nothing like it. This is just right on time, man. Like, this is very... Listen, man, get on the wait list for my Instagram influencer marketing course. You thought this was something I'm gonna be revealing stuff like this on the regular inside the Instagram influencer marketing course. It's releasing January 1st, 2021, man. It's gonna be under $100 during launch week. So get on the waiting list for the course. It's dropping January 1st. And if you're watching this video anytime after January 1st, the course is already live and the links will be in the description of this video. But that's all I got for this one, and I'll see y'all in the next one.